Air pressure, the measure of the force with which air molecules push on a surface.
Asthenosphere, the plastic region of the mantle just below the lithosphere. Convection currents here are thought to cause plate movement.
Chemical weathering, the process that breaks down rock through chemical changes.
Continental crust, surface layer above sea level, the part of the Earth's crust that comprises the continents, which is an average thickness of 45 kilometers, primarily composed of granite.
Continental drift, theory that states that there was a supercontinent that split into the continents of today.
Contour line, a line on a topographic map that connects points of equal elevation.
Convection currents, circular movement of a substance due to changes in temperature and density.
Convergent boundary, a plate boundary where two plates move toward each other.
Deposition, the process by which sediment settles out of the water or wind that is carrying it.
Divergent boundary, a plate boundary where two plates move away from each other.
Earthquake, the shaking of Earth's surface produced by the rapid release of energy in Earth's crust, caused plates shifting, found along all plate boundaries.
Epicenter, the point at which seismic waves first reach the surface.
Fault line, a break or crack in Earth's surface, caused by shifting and moving plates. Focus, the point inside the Earth where an earthquake begins.
Hotspot, a weak spot in the middle of a tectonic plate where magma surfaces. Forms of volcano X, Hawaii and Yellowstone.
Inner core, solid metal layer in Earth's core.
Lava, magma that reaches the Earth's surface. Lithosphere, the solid part of the Earth consisting of the crust and outer mantle.
Magma molten, melted rock beneath the Earth's surface.
Magnitude, measure of the energy released during an earthquake.
Mantle, the layer of the Earth between the crust and the core.
Mantle convection currents, the transfer of thermal energy by the circulation or movement in Earth mantle, believed to be the driving force of plate tectonics.
Mid-ocean ridge, an underwater mountain chain where new ocean floor is formed, caused by divergent boundary. Oceanic crust, Earth's crust located under the ocean, the thinnest type of crust, mostly basalt.
Ocean trench, a long steep-sided depression in the ocean floor caused by one plate sinking below another. Pacific Ring of Fire, region around the Pacific Ocean where most of the volcanoes and earthquakes on Earth occur regularly.
Pangaea large, ancient landmass that was composed of all the continents joined together. Supercontinent.
Plate boundary, where two tectonic, lithospheric plates meet.
Plate tectonics, the theory that pieces of Earth's lithosphere are in constant motion, driven by convection currents in the mantle.
Rift Valley, a plate boundary where two plates move past each other in opposite directions.
Seafloor spreading, when two oceanic plates pull apart, magma rises and new crust is formed on the ocean floor.
Seismic waves wave, generated by an earthquake. Primary, first, push/pull, secondary, side to side, surface, slowest, destructive.
Subduction zone, when one plate sinks beneath another, forms volcanoes and trenches.
Tectonic plate, a piece of the lithosphere that moves around on top of the asthenosphere due to mantle convection currents.
Topographic map, a map that shows the surface features of an area.
Volcano in the Earth's crust, lithosphere, where magma has come to the surface, caused by convergent plate boundaries or hot spots.
Weather front, a boundary that forms when air masses meet that have different temperature, pressure, and humidity conditions,